Okay, good evening. As a humanitarian, there are some of the things I will keep on talking about. For example, now I have been asking myself, in Africa and the entire world at large, but this one is commonly in our continent, Africa. Hmm? You find that even if a child is given a simple question of which he can think and answer, he has to go to Meta AI. So, as someone who can foresee, I can see there are very many difficulties in the future. Mm. If we are to imagine like 30 years, yeah, in those 30 years to come, people will no longer be thinking because even if someone is given is asked a question of which he knows, there is no wasting time. He goes to chat GPT, he goes to Meta AI, finally within a second he gets an answer. So why should he just wasting time in that situation of looking for the answers using his own head? So for me, there are things that need to be regulated. Otherwise, very many difficulties are coming. Mm. Of course, at first, those people were there before. This is technology had increased. At least for them, they know what was there. Someone would be asked and at least he would take some time to think. But these days, there is no those thinking, even if it is a calculation. Yeah, so we are operating under mental slavery. We are just our minds are being programmed even. eh, And this is the strong problem we have in Africa. Our minds are enslaved. We are just working as computers. For example, there are some of the things I ask myself. In mathematics, you have sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, which is equal to 1. You find someone has been studying it from nursery up to university level, but if you ask him what is sine squared theta, what does it mean, he can't even tell. This situation, that is the only situation we are in. Even when it comes, there are some of the questions at the university we meet. We just study after the end of the course. You leave them there without even gaining anything from there. So why can't we? For sure, there are things we do, and they bring very many questions. Some of the people can foresee. Otherwise, difficulties are coming.